In a bustling office, a team lead fumbles a presentation remote and accidentally starts a cat video, sparking surprised laughter. On a crowded street, a pedestrian trips while filming with a phone, turning embarrassment into a memorable safety reminder today. At a kitchen party, a blender bursts juice everywhere, teaching a quick lesson: unplug before mixing. In a gym, a treadmill misfires and spins, prompting a lighthearted tip about checking settings first. At home, a DIY shelf collapses, revealing the value of planning, patience, and laughing through mistakes.